Have you ever wondered what it would be like if your money worked for you, even while you sleep? Imagine a world where your savings multiply, leaving behind the slow growth of your salary. Does it sound like a dream? But here's the raw and exciting truth. It can be your reality. Forget the outdated methods that keep your money in a locked chest. Today, we will unlock the investment strategies that have created fortunes, strategies that even the most novice investor can start applying right now. Ready to take control and accelerate your journey to financial freedom? Get ready, because what's coming could transform your way of thinking about money forever. As banks promise you security, have you ever calculated how much your savings really grow in those safe accounts? The answer may be surprising and not in the way you expect. Inflation is silently devouring the value of your savings, like an invisible parasite that's never satisfied. Here's a wake-up call. Average inflation may be eating away more than 2% of your purchasing power each year. So if you thought keeping your money under the mattress or in a savings account was playing it safe, I invite you to think again. Because while you're in safety mode, there are people who are doubling or even tripling their savings by applying financial intelligence. And today, you're going to discover exactly how to do that. Keep your eyes wide open because we're about to change the rules of the traditional saving game. Let's delve into the fascinating world of investment, where risk is not a dirty word, but a disguised opportunity. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, cryptocurrencies sounds complicated, right? But it doesn't have to be. Think of it this way. Investing is like a great buffet. If you only eat from one dish, you might get full, but what happens if that dish no longer satisfies you, or, worse, disappears? That's putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying means trying a bit of everything, balancing your tastes, and at the same time, your risks. Here's the key. Don't invest in something you don't understand. So let's break it down. Stocks give you a piece of a company. If the company grows, you grow. Bonds are like lending money and then getting it back with interest. Mutual funds are like going shopping with friends, where everyone puts in and buys something big together, something you couldn't acquire on your own. Real estate generates rents, and cryptocurrencies, well, those are the new frontier, the Wild West where the brave can find gold. I'm not here to tell you what's best for you. You'll discover that on your journey. What I will do is give you the tools and the map. Now, if you're ready to leave behind the myths and fears, stay with me. Because we're going to explore each of these options and show you how each can be another step on your ladder to the financial summit. Stocks are not just pieces of paper. They represent a real part of a company. By buying them, you become a co-owner, albeit a tiny fraction. And the best part? When the company wins, you also win with dividends and the appreciation of those stocks. But here comes the twist. Stocks fluctuate. They can rise and fall with the market's rhythm. So the trick is knowing when to hold them, when to fold them, and when to simply walk away. Bonds, on the other hand, are less like a roller coaster and more like a train that takes you to your destination with a scheduled stop, the maturity date. You invest a certain amount of money and receive periodic interest. In the end, you get your initial investment back. It's a way to generate passive income without the dizziness of the stock market. Mutual funds are the dream team of investment. Think of it as gathering the most talented players from different sports, each bringing their unique skills to the team. With a mutual fund, a professional manager collects money from many investors and invests it in a variety of assets. This reduces your risk because your investments are spread across different areas, and if one fails, the others can cushion the blow. Real estate has always been seen as a solid investment, literally. Land and bricks have tangible value, something you can see and touch. And with the right strategy, you can earn a steady income by renting out your properties. Plus, historically, the value of real estate tends to increase over time, offering the possibility of a substantial gain if you decide to sell. And finally, cryptocurrencies. Don't be intimidated by the technical jargon. At their core, Cryptocurrencies are digital money. But what makes them special is the blockchain technology that makes them decentralized, secure, and, in many cases, anonymous. Volatility may be high, but so can the rewards. And most importantly, they represent a revolution in how we view and use money. Remember, each of these investment paths has its own signals, its own rules. The vital thing is to educate yourself, understand the terrain, and move with intelligence and strategy. So don't worry if you feel it's a lot of information. We're going to go step by step, together, demystifying each option, because knowledge is power, especially the power to grow your money. Gone are the days when investing was an exclusive club for those in suits reading the financial newspaper with their morning coffee. Today, innovation has democratized access to the stock market, and investment strategies have evolved. Have you heard of index funds? They're like a mirror reflecting a specific market index, allowing you to diversify your investments with a single purchase. In other words, instead of betting on a winning horse, you bet on the entire race. Then there are robo-advisors, which use algorithms to manage your portfolio. They don't drink coffee, they don't ask for raises, and they work 24/7. Based on your goals and risk tolerance, these financial robots automatically adjust your investments to maximize your return. It's investment made smart and accessible to everyone. And we can't ignore automated trading. Don't have time to watch the markets? No problem. Automated trading executes trades on your behalf, based on criteria you define. Think of it as autopilot for your investments. Of course, this doesn't mean guaranteed gains, but it does mean constant applied intelligence. These innovations are changing the game, removing many barriers and allowing even the greenest investors to see their money grow.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
The key to these innovative strategies is not just their ability to generate profits, but also their potential to teach you about the market while you invest. It's a double victory: growth and learning. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are not just on everyone's lips, but also on the front pages of the world's major financial media. And for good reason. They are redefining what it means to invest. Imagine a currency that is not controlled by any central bank or government. A currency that you can send anywhere in the world with minimal fees and no intermediaries. That's the promise of cryptocurrencies. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, through the countless altcoins that emerge every day, there's an entire universe of opportunities waiting. But wait. This isn't the Wild West where anything goes. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires knowledge, strategy, and above all, a smart attitude towards risk. Volatility? Yes, and plenty of it. But with volatility come the opportunities for profit that, if managed carefully, can be significant. However, investing in cryptocurrencies goes beyond buying and waiting for them to rise. We're talking about technologies like staking, where you can earn rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies, or yield farming, where smart investors earn passive income by lending their digital assets. And let's not forget NFTs, which are opening doors to a new world of collectible digital assets and redefining the concept of ownership in the digital space. But the most important thing is the underlying technology, blockchain. It's providing transparency, security, and efficiency in a variety of industries beyond finance. We're talking about smart contracts that execute automatically when certain conditions are met, traceable supply chains that increase consumer trust, secure voting systems, and much more. Before you dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, remember, education is your best investment. Understand what you're investing in, know the risks, and never, ever invest money you can't afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are not just a passing fad, they are a growing part of the global financial fabric. And now, with the right tools and knowledge, you can be part of this financial evolution. Creating an investment plan is not an act of magic, but one of logic. It's the map that will guide you through the jungle of financial opportunities and risks. The first step is as simple as it is crucial. Define your financial goals. Are you looking to buy a house, secure your retirement, fund your children's education, or simply increase your wealth? Each goal will have its own path and its own set of tools. The second step is understanding your time horizon. Investing with a goal for 1 year is not the same as investing for 20. Time is not just money, it's your strategic ally. This will greatly influence the asset classes you choose and the level of risk you can take on. Let's talk about risk. The third step is knowing your appetite and tolerance for it. Not everyone is willing to ride the volatile roller coaster of stocks or cryptocurrencies. Some might prefer the more predictable merry-go-round of bonds or index funds. Assess how much you're willing to risk for potentially higher rewards. With your goals, time horizon, and risk profile in hand, it's time to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how golden it might seem. Diversification is your safety net. Spread your investment across different asset classes and, within those, among different options. This way, if one investment fails, the others can support your portfolio. Now, with your plan outlined, you need the tools to execute it. There are apps and platforms that allow you to monitor your portfolio, set price alerts, and learn more about each asset class. Tools that let you automate investments, reinvest dividends, and adjust your portfolio according to market changes and your preferences. Don't forget educational resources. Books, podcasts, blogs, and online courses can be your arsenal for making informed decisions. And of course, online investor communities where you can share strategies and learn from others' experiences. Building your investment plan is like assembling a puzzle. Each piece is unique to your financial situation and your future dreams. And when that puzzle is complete, you'll have not only a picture of where you want to go, but a clear path to make it a reality. The world of investment is yours to discover. So take the reins, use the tools at your disposal, and build the financial future you deserve. We've traveled through the intricacies of traditional saving and unraveled the secrets of investment. You've seen how your savings can do much more than just exist. They can grow, thrive, and multiply. From the basics of investing to the most advanced strategies, from the solid ground of real estate to the new digital frontier of cryptocurrencies, this knowledge can change your financial game. But remember, all this knowledge, all these strategies, mean nothing without action. Take what you've learned today and start applying it. Create that investment plan, dive into educational resources, explore the tools we've shown you, and join investor communities. Investing is a journey, and every step you take is a step towards your financial freedom. Don't let this video be just another one you watch and forget. Make it the start of your financial transformation. And if it has brought you value, share it with someone who you think could also benefit from this knowledge. Subscribe so you don't miss a bit of financial wisdom and activate the notification bell to be the first to take advantage of the next tip that could grow your finances. This is your moment. Investing and building wealth are not just for those suited up on Wall Street. They are for everyone. They are for you. So make your move, and let's do it together. Because when it comes to your money, the only one who should be making decisions is you. Until next time, where we'll continue breaking barriers and building bridges to financial freedom. It's not just a dream, it's an achievable goal. And now, you're one step closer. Let's go for it.